Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the hardware. Charge the Dino controller above 50% and power off the switch briefly to avoid hiccups. Once done, power the console back on and make sure system firmware is up to date so Bluetooth stacks match. Next, plug in any USB-C adapter or wireless dongle you plan to use. You need a stable physical link before pairing. This prevents timeouts and explains why firmware parity and a charged controller reduce connection failures during the initial handshake. You now handle pairing. Go to Controllers and Sensors, choose Change Grip/Order, and the switch will await input. Put the Dino controller into its Bluetooth pairing mode, typically a dedicated pair button or holding Pair Plus Start, and watch for the switch to list it. If you're using an adapter, connect the controller via USB-C and let the switch detect it as a Pro controller. Make sure to follow the controller's LED cues. They tell you when the device is discoverable or connected. To finish, confirm the switch recognizes the controller and check button mapping under controller settings. Calibrate sticks and gyro if available so inputs feel accurate. Then test in a game to confirm latency and responsiveness. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the console and repair the controller. If problems persist, update the controller firmware or switch to a wired connection using a reliable USB-C cable. This sequence isolates software issues from hardware faults quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.